Good afternoon, everyone. Days 2 and 3 out here at Padre Island National Seashore. On day 2, when I woke up, I did have somebody attempt to literally park right there. I was up drinking my coffee in the morning and I came out and I, as politely as possible, I said, "Hey guys, did you know that there's 17 miles of beach here where you can park your RV? Take a look, 17 miles. You would think that would be pretty obvious, but I have this thing where everyone is drawn to me to park next to me, despite the natural beauty of 17 miles of camping coastline here. Just laughing about it, but did have to point that out at least. I love it out here. I'm sad that I have to leave tomorrow, but I have been notified that it's time to go back to Livingston to pick up a few things and take care of a few things. So this is my last official day and night at Padre Island, one of the best free camping places I've been to in 2020, at least, probably in the last 6 or 7 months. So, tell you what though, it sure is nice having sun and solar at the beach so that I can just live comfortably out here and not have to run the generator or anything. That is cool. I know it looks like there's plenty of sunshine and warmth out here, but it's not the warmest I've been out here. Daytime highs struggling to hit 55 and the nights are down into the 30s. However, tonight I'm gonna watch some TV outdoors once it gets dark. I've already got my projector screen back here and I've set up my little Vankyo. I had to tape it down because it's windy at the beach, obviously, so it's taped, bungeed, and then down here, something new, I buried the legs about 3 inches, covering them back up with sand, got my milk jug pushing down, and I've been kind of testing this out here for the last couple hours to see what it's doing. The device itself really isn't moving, so I think we're good. Just wait till it gets dark, hook up my HDMI cable that's over there and everything, and I'll have the waves to my back while I watch TV on the screen here. I think it'll be nice. I never claimed to be roughing it, guys. You kidding me? No, man. I'll enjoy it. I'm out here to make memories. I can look back and laugh and say, well, that was cool. I'm all bundled up, layered up, so I can spend a few hours outside. And I got the TV hooked up over here, although it's obviously not dark enough. The projector it's getting there though. Another 30 minutes here, it'll look good. It's not bad, it's just not as clear as it will be later. So I'm just like, okay, I'll get it set up and I'll fine tune focus it later. But, and this is living, man. As funny as it is, this is living. I'm camping, y'all. Whatever, man. Eric, all campers are supposed to be minimalists. I don't know where you heard that. Ain't me. Here's a better shot of what it really looks like, guys, as it gets dark. Just wanted to show you, but it's too dark to film outside. So I'll catch you in the morning. I'm gonna enjoy the race. You're just bathing in the sand. Before we leave, well, as we leave, there's 2 more pieces of the whole camping on the beach type situation that needs to be taken care of, and one is the sand. Now, yes, a lot of people like to sweep as they go or vacuum as they go. I literally don't even see a point, so I don't mind if Jax rolls around in the sand during our 3-4 days here, but eventually, when it's time to go, and I've come in and brought all my stuff inside and I'm not going out to the beach again, it is time to literally, I've got sand everywhere in the RV, because every time you open a window, it comes in. But gotta tackle the sand issue. Funny thing is, the sand is the same color as my floor, so it really blends in, and you can't even really see the sand very much. But if we look at the rug right there, yeah, it's covered, and it's everywhere. Another good example, if we go into the bathroom, you can see the shower mat right there, the toilet mat. Yeah, it's everywhere. You gonna help? Okay, I'll do it myself, thanks. And it doesn't really matter because even after vacuuming, I'm still going to be finding Padre Island sand for years to come. It's still worth it though. All right, I am all showered, all cleaned up in the RV, packed up, ready to hit the road. Kind of sad, but I gotta be careful out here with that wind. You really don't know what this microphone does to help me be able to record usable audio. We still got some beach to drive on, but low tide has left. We are now working our way towards high tide, so we still got 2 lanes, yeah. All right, but we're not done. We still gotta take care of a few things, so get out of here. Hang on, a couple things I want to show you here at this dump station real quick. First of all, my neighbor. They're in a 32-foot-ish Class A here, and it's not your typical Class A. Look at the tail end, how it goes up. It's a Class A toy hauler. You really don't see too many of these. It's beautiful. Now, I dumped my tanks. There's no drinking water right there. Also, there's a sign right here. Vehicle rinsing or washing prohibited. The reason why that is there, well, more later, but they have clean water. If you drive up here, it says clean drinking water with a blue nozzle right there, so I will top off on the way out. But the second thing, besides vacuuming and cleaning the inside of your RV, the second thing you must do, in my opinion, is at least rinse off the undercarriage of your vehicle when you leave the beach, because that sand and salt underneath there can cause rust and issues if you don't take care of it. And I want to take care of Miranda, so they don't allow you to do it here because too many people are doing it, and it's a waste of water, in their opinion here. Even though you can use the other water and fill up as much as you want. So I'm gonna hook up Google Maps on the way out of here. I'm gonna look for a self-serve car wash. Obviously they're not all gonna work because they have clearance issues at most car washes. So you can plan this out probably a little better and go on Google Maps and do Street View and try to see how tall it is, but you can't zoom in and see the clearance, 12 foot, 13 foot. My idea is just to pick 4 or 5 that are on the way out of here towards Corpus Christi and kind of stop by and just see, do they have one truck bay, or do they have no roof on one, which that's not going to happen. But yeah, want to pressure wash the underneath. Not going to wash the RV today, but I want to put some quarters in a machine and wash the entire undercarriage of the RV, get all that sand and salt water. Here's another look at this Outlaw. Look at that thing. Isn't that sweet? What fun. Okay, I'll get back on the road after I fill up my water tank. I did my absolute best to try to find a car wash somewhere around here, and I struck out 8 or 9 times. They're all either closed, broken down, the hoses and the brushes are gone, or just weirdly closed off with cones, and then of course a bunch that don't fit RVs. So honestly, a great business opportunity would be to open up an RV car wash near Corpus Christi or somewhere near Padre Island, because you make a killing out here. I'll keep trying. I'm gonna close this video out, guys. Had a blast at the beach. Like I said, gotta head north real quick. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.